Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare mushroom biryani. These are the ingredients. Here we are having 2 cup of basmati rice. It's almost 500 grams. 200 gram of sliced mushrooms. 1 cup of sliced onions. Half a cup of tomatoes. 2 sliced green chilies and curry leaves. 1 handful of mint leaves. Some coriander leaves. Some curd. Bay leaves. Cinnamon. Clove. Cardamom. Ginger garlic paste. Of lemon and ghee. Chilli powder and salt for taste. Wash the basmati rice and soak it for 10 minutes. Switch on the stove and keep one pressure cooker. Now add some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, you can add 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon, 4 clove and 1 cardamom. Add 1 cup of onions. Once the onion becomes golden brown, we can add tomatoes, green chilies and curry leaves. Saute well. Now we can add ginger garlic paste. After few seconds, we are adding 1 full spoon of chilli powder. Add the mushrooms. Once the mushrooms get into the masala, we can add 1 handful of mint leaves, half a cup of coriander leaves, now we are getting good aroma from the mint. We can add some curd. Now add salt for taste. Now I am going to add water. If you are taking 1 cup of basmati rice, you have to add 1.5 cup of water. I have soaked 2 cups of basmati rice, so I am going to add 3 cups of water. Once the water comes to boiling point, we can add the rice. Finally add 1 spoon of ghee, and squeeze 2 to 3 drops of lemon. Mix it gently. Close the lid. Wait for 1 whistle. After that, slow the flame for 5 minutes. Then switch off the stove. Now the pressure went off. We can open the pressure cooker. It smells amazing. Wow. It really comes well. we start our platings. Now our mushroom biryani ready. I am going to sprinkle some corianders for garnishing. Now you can serve this with a creamy raita. Please try this recipe at your home and comment on this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in the next week with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.